and I'm Natasha to you, and most of you guys know me from the gardening courses that I give. Okay, so today I'm teaching on moringa. From the people that have never heard about moringa, we're gonna give out notes. Okay, so moringa is what they call the tree of life. There has been studies. There's been studies done and the research is done on the moringa leaf, and it's got a lot more nutrients than certain other plants. Okay, so the notes that Cindy is handing out now. Okay, on the front it says the tree of life. That's what, as this is a tree. This is one of the small plants that I started from seed. Okay, it takes a very, very long time to grow. It grows up to 3 meters tall if you put it in the ground. This is a moringa leaf. It's got a very small, round type of leaf, and it's packed with nutrients. Alright, so the conditions of this specific plant is it's not too much fussy on soil, because it helps to put nutrition back into the soil. Okay, but the conditions on top, like it's not too much wind, not too much sun. It likes a nice shady but semi-shady area. Okay, so the moringa has got it basically helps for over 300 diseases. It helps, so it doesn't completely make you heal, but it helps your body to fight those diseases. Okay? So what it does is, on the top it says there, it helps as an antioxidant. Alright? It helps with weight loss. It helps to stimulate your hair growth, so that means you can even use it in your shampoos or your conditioners or in your treatments. It helps with antidepressant, and so antidepressants is something that a lot of people is on nowadays. And the pills that people get leave something behind. It doesn't completely help you, but this moringa leaf, it helps your body fight depression. Okay? It also says that it helps with your mental clarity. So it helps your mind to think more clearly. So instead of you before over the show, it brings a calmness to your mind. Okay? It also helps as a laxative. So if you have, like you can't go to the room as often as you should, it helps with that as well. Okay? And then all the other stuff, I don't want to take up too much time. Then on the second page, when you take moringa raw, so yes, you can take the leaves raw. You can basically take the leaf from the plant, just maybe wash it off from the dust or whatever, then you can eat it that way.
Okay.
That is the most nutrition part of having moringa leaf. Okay? You can dry it. So you dry it into a powder. So you dry it and you make it into a little powder. Unfortunately, I don't have enough for everybody, so I'm just going to use it. And I'm going to demonstrate it in the smoothies just to show you how to make a smoothie. Okay? We have seeds here. A couple of seeds that I put in packets. Alright, so the seeds is also very nutritious. And it helps with a lot of things. The seeds you can actually use to make a tea. The seeds you can use to crush. You put it in your smoothie. You can, even if you have somehow water that is dirty, and you want to clear that water and take out most of the toxins, you take this moringa seed. So I just want to show you, this is how in the long pods these seeds are formed. Okay, and then in the seed there's like a cover. You crush it, almost like a pod, you crush it, and then this is the seed. It's like a white small, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna come closer. So this is a white little seed that comes out of this. Okay? Then this seed, you crush it and you put it into, say for instance, you have a 5 liter or 20 liter or whatever amount of water that you want to use, but it's dirty. Then you pull this water in, you crush it, and you put it in the water, so all the toxins can be drawn out. Okay, and then you have to boil the water before use. Remember that. So even though you did use moringa, and to clear all the toxins, you have to boil the water before you use it again. Okay, then with the moringa powder, I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoothie, and basically, like I said, you can put it into anything. So what we have here, Alright. So on the, let me just go onto the last page for you guys. I want to keep something up. So it says there, it's managing your weight and helps with your liver to detox your liver. Okay. It also helps fighting cancer. Alright. Of lots of different cancers. Okay, and then it also helps to against retinal damage. So all these things you guys can, if you want to go and Google it, there's lots of information on Google or whatever apps, research app that you guys are doing. You can go back onto that for the moringa. Okay, so what we've got today is some of the seeds, and we've got the powder. Like I said, we're going to do a smoothie and then serve will have with that. And this is our plant. Is there any questions before I go further? Any questions?
It's just one seed, so that you can just see what it, the picture, what it looks like.
Of course, yes. So maybe you can just, so there's one, I'm just going to show you, or maybe you can just take the pack with the, like the white, then it helps with germination. So you can put it into water and then you leave it in for about 6 to 12 hours so that the water just absorbs the seed, and then you plant it, but it helps with germination. Okay? Is there any other questions?
When is the planting time?
So planting time, I would prefer in spring. So in spring, it's not too cold and it's not too hot. So I would prefer planting it in spring. Okay, and then after, you would transplant it after winter. So I'm going to wait till winter is done, and then I can transplant this guy into soil because then it's not too cold because of the shock of the temperatures at well.
And where does one get moringa seed?
So I've got a few
From the
here,
station.
and I have a contact, but it's becoming more expensive now. I know everything has gone up now with the spectral price, even the fertilizers, seeds, everything went up. So I can get seeds, if you order through me, then I can get it at a reasonable price. So a packet of 10 was about, I think it was like 50 rand. I must just double check. Okay? But they do have a packet of like 5 in it. So, and if you want more, I think the more you buy, the more seeds you buy, the more cheaper it becomes. So if you buy like, say 100 seeds or something like that, it all depends on what you can afford. I will get the price list for those that's in the group. For those new people, I put the details on. They will be added to the WhatsApp group because we've got the WhatsApp group, and I will send the details of the price list. Okay. If you want any leaf powder, also the leaf powder will also be on sale. This specifically, this containers is a 30 ml. This is a 30 gram powder, but they do have bigger sizes, like maybe if you want to buy 100 grams, 200 grams or so on. So you can just, this will also be on sale. And I will send the price list in the group. Okay? So, yeah, moringa, there is so much information that goes around, but you have to make sure that you get the right information out there. If you don't know, don't be afraid to ask, because some people have misinformed of moringa. Sometimes they don't identify the plant, and then they pull the plant out, and then they lose out on a miracle plant. Okay? Yeah. Sorry? So yes?
You on, if someone is on diabetes pills and you take herbs, how do you know that the stool is not going to crash each other because I'm saying this. I'm still on diabetes pills and I use herbs without medical advice and it made haywire with me.
I will come back.
Okay. She's gonna cover that part. Okay? Okay, sis, yeah. Alright, she's gonna cover that part and then, but please make sure if you are on tablets, consult your doctor. It's very important to consult the doctor because the chemicals that they give you in the tablets can fight the natural compounds. So please make sure that you consult the doctor whenever tablets that you are on. You can't just immediately do a switch on it, okay? So let's just cover the amount of the health benefits that the nutritional value that it's on the third page where it says moringa superfood you need in your life, the superfood you need in your life. Okay, just quickly. So it says it's got 4 times the amount of calcium than a glass. So if you take 1 glass of milk, it's got 4 times that amount of calcium. Okay? It's got 4 times the amount of vitamin A in carrots. Alright, so if you know you have to eat carrots in your diet, you need, and you take the amount of moringa, it's got 4 times that amount of vitamin A. Alright, then 15 times the amount of potassium of bananas. So it's got lots of, so instead of you, if you say, okay, I need to eat every day, say 5 bananas a day, whatever your diet recommends, and you take 1 smoothie with moringa in, that is already covered. Okay, that's already covered, so you don't have to worry about taking it again and again and again, every day, or like I said, 3 times a day or so. Like with your tablets, you have to take like 3 times a day or whatever. Then it's got 3 times the amount of iron than spinach. So a lot of people say, I take spinach for my iron supplements or nutrition, whatever. So it's got 3 times that amount. Alright? It's got over 90 nutrients in moringa that you need for your daily substances. A lot of different, and we can't even put the list all on here. Alright? Then it's got 18 amino acids, including all 9 essential ones. The 9 essential ones that you need is all in there. Alright? So it's got 36 anti-inflammatory agents in there. So if you're struggling with anti-inflammatory, moringa is the thing to have that works from the inside out. Okay? It's got anti-aging compounds in there. So a lot of people start making face masks with moringa in because it helps with anti-aging. It balances your sugar levels in your blood, and that is where Cindy is also going to cover something on that for you. Okay? Antibacterial, it's got antifungal, it's got antiviral compounds. So all that stuff that you need to fight in your body, if your body is not strong enough, moringa will help with that. Okay? It balances out hormones. So especially for the people that is like myself that's now on what you call that age? Menopause, where your hormones go crazy, then you're hot, then you're cold, then you don't know where you are. Yeah. So it helps with your hormones, okay? It also has 48 antioxidants in there. Alright? So it's got everything that you need in the moringa. So at least if you take once a day, maybe you have the morning, you have it as a tea. During the afternoon, maybe you can have it as a smoothie or in a salad. It's completely up to you, but you have to take it like at least once a day. You can have it. Okay? Is there any questions before I go any further? Or,
I got this tea bags of the little tea bags.
yes, the tea bags are very expensive, but it's very good. It's very, very good. And then if you got from those tea bags and you made your tea already, don't throw the tea bag away. use a tea bag in your garden as a fertilizer. Because it helps with fertilizing your plants as well. So you can use it as a fertilizer as well. Okay? So the leaves, so maybe there's some leaves are sort of brown, or you maybe want to have a tree and you maybe want to trim the tree and you're not going to eat the leaves or use it in a smoothie or whatever. You can put it on your compost or in your soil to fertilize your soil. Okay? Yeah. Is there any other questions?
Is there a recommended daily allowance?
So I would recommend it minimum once a day. If you're taking the seeds, I would say like 1 seed per day. If you're taking the powder, I would say like a teaspoon more or less a day. If you take like the fresh leaves, I would say like 5 leaves, like these big leaves, 5 of these big leaves a day. Not, I won't say really, you can't overdose it really on something natural. Your body will just work it out.
Sorry, but one thing with moringa is it does give you open bowels.
Yes.
So just be cognizant of that.
Yes, that's what I said.
Regulate that.
That's a, what you call that?
Laxative.
Yeah, if you, like your tummy run. If you
Laxative.
Yes.
Oh, so it's like,
Can you take a question? For kids, I would say half. Over tea. So you can put like a half a teaspoon in, but then you mix it with other leaves, tea leaf also. Okay, you can, yeah. Yes, the seed works best for clearing the water. Yes. But to clear the water, just the seed. You can take about 5 seeds per liter, 1 liter, so 1 liter yeah, of water. You just take the seeds. Okay? Sorry, you had a question?
yeah, I was going to make a statement. We advocate that you check with your doctor, you know, because some people like potassium, for instance. Some people cannot take too much potassium. You should know, your doctor will tell you.
Yes.
Okay? But rather check with your doctor first
Yes.
and say, look, I intend taking this. Is it okay for me? Etc.
Correct. Yes. Very important with these classes. You cannot just switch from your medical tablets straight onto your herbal. Even yes.
But if you don't use tablet, you can.
Sorry.
If you don't use tablet, you can use it.
If you don't use tablets, yes. Okay. If you don't have tablets or got a chronic disease or something, then you can use. But also, if you start with something herbal, start small.
Yes.
Don't just start big. Like okay, like I said, but even just start very small. On like and not every day, maybe just once in the second day or something. Let your body get slowly but surely used to that minerals and nutrients when it's not used to, because you're gonna get open bowels. It's gonna open up everything, which is a good thing because it's all toxins that's going out. So if you use something natural and your stomach starts working, or you start feeling feverish, or you start a runny nose, it's a good thing because that is your body's detoxing way of getting rid of all the stuff that's not supposed to be in your body. Okay? But then you just like give it a break and then you can continue with it. But if you stay sick for longer than I think 3 days, it's not supposed to be like, you know.
So it will help for people that's constipated.
Definitely will help for people that's constipated. Yes.
Can I just share this? What works for me with moringa is that when I start off, I do it tomorrow. Because you must apply the taste.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I put it on my chemical that I love ever. So I put it on ever because it's
Because-
green, you don't see it.
Yes,
You know what I'm
yes,
saying?
yes.
You don't see it, I put it on ever.
That's right.
But I do it once a week. I do
Perfect.
it once a week.
Perfect.
Because I didn't consult my doctor yet, but I've been using it.
Yes.
So I do it once a week and it works for me.
That's an amazing idea to mix it with like apple or something that you like, some green, something, because it's got like a earthy powdery. Some people don't like it, the taste, because it's got like a greenish, like almost like a grassy like type of taste, you know. And if you're not used to it, you won't like it. But you need to get the nutrients into your body somehow, because what I've and even the study that has been done, your bananas and your apples that you buy in the store doesn't have the same nutrients like it had like 10 years or 20 years ago. So in the beginning, like that time, it used to say like an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But now you have to eat 5 apples a day. It's not 1 apple a day anymore.
your garden apple that is fine.
Exactly, if it's your own organic garden, then you know what you've put in there. Okay, but the stuff that we buy in the shops, it's not so packed with nutrients like it used to be like a few years ago. Okay, so any other questions?
Natasha,
Yes,
I
yeah.
have got moringa.
Yes.
Conversation.
Okay.
I tried them out and it works.
Beautiful, 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 yes. So if it works for you, well done. For those people that still want to try it out, you almost welcome, but remember, start like this, like you said, a 2 ml per, per week or every second or every third day. You start off slowly to introduce that new minerals. Maybe you never had something in your body yet, and now you're introduced to this. Your body needs to get used to this. Okay? Is there any other questions? Nothing. Okay, Sanjay, you can go ahead. Thank you.
You know, taking